Welcome back, everybody. I am back quicker than I thought I would be. When I uploaded the video this morning, I said I was moving on to Arkansas and the Griddle More Tour, and of course, unless you're living under a rock, if you're on social media, my Facebook, Blackstone's Facebook, etc., the Griddle More Tour was indefinitely postponed. It was canceled due to, obviously, the coronavirus, the scare of the coronavirus, the reality of the coronavirus. So whichever side of the fence you're on, whether you believe fully in it and you think we're in big danger, we canceled, and whether you believe it's a huge hoax and people are just falling victim to scare tactics, it was canceled as well. And obviously Blackstone didn't want to be a part of any bad outcome there. So the decision was made, you know, at a Walmart corporate level, at a Blackstone corporate level, and also on behalf of our tour management company. So effective immediately, the tour is put on hold. Mixed emotions, because I wanted to go on tour. I was excited about it. You know, this is one of those rare jobs, rare opportunities that I have where I don't have to dread getting out of bed. I don't dread the call from my work. I love it. And, you know, I did it for free for years. I griddled for free for years on my back porch, and to think now that I get paid for it. So bummed out, obviously, that I can't be on the Griddle More Tour. Bummed out that I can't be traveling. Bummed out that I can't be meeting all you fine folks out there in Arkansas this weekend. But let's hope that after the dust settles, that we can get back into the swing of things. The thought, as of today, from Blackstone's point of view, is that the tour will resume as planned and run its entirety after the dust is settled, after we've been given the green light, after things are safe once again. So take that with a grain of salt, and of course everything is subject to change. All these decisions were made above me. You know, in my videos, a lot of times I will say, hey, we're going to go here, God willing, I'll see you here, God willing. And there's a verse in James that talks about not boasting about tomorrow, about extravagant plans, because things are subject to change. So important for me to keep my trust in the Lord. And it's a complete bummer for me from a personal greedy standpoint, a complete bummer for me to have to cancel the tour, because I was fired up. But at the same time, you know, it's a safety thing to do as well, because we would hate to have somebody get sick through one of my demos. I would hate to have somebody in my family get sick because I did something crazy and got on an airplane when I shouldn't have. So there you go, folks. Make sure you're following Blackstone on Facebook, facebook.com/Blackstone Products. They, of course, announced it this morning. If you're following me on my Facebook, facebook.com/Todd Toven Official. I made an official announcement about 6 hours ago as soon as I heard the word. And so that is the short version of it, folks. Nothing more to say. So even though in the video I said, in the last video I said, you're not going to be seeing me do a lot of back porch cooking videos, well, I guess things are subject to change. So here we are again, back on the back porch, and I certainly hope that I can be back on the Griddle More Tour again in the future. But I'm having to just put my trust in the Lord, and regardless of what the outcome is, I'm going to come out the other end being okay with it. So thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord.